Hey friends, Sarah from the Charming Detroiter. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you guys on a room tour and a hotel tour of Bakers Cay Resort in Key Largo, Florida. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am Sarah. I run a lifestyle blog over at theCharmingDetroiter.com where I talk about all things food, travel, fashion, all kinds of stuff. So be sure to follow me below, hit the big red subscribe button, and click the notification bell next to it so you don't miss any of my videos. So this week we are staying at Bakers Cay Resort in Key Largo, Florida. It is one of our favorite hotels in Florida, and we absolutely love spending time here down in the Keys. I thought it would be fun to take you guys on a little room tour and a hotel tour of the place that we are staying this week. It is such a cute hotel and very stylish, very good service, very good food, and one of the best beaches in Key Largo, if not the best beach in Key Largo. So let's go. All right, so this week we decided to splurge a little bit because it is my birthday, and so we are actually staying in a 1-bedroom king waterfront premium suite here at the hotel. So this is one of the nicest rooms in the hotel, and I would highly recommend it if you are staying here with kids. We are staying here, of course, with our toddler, and so it's great to have extra space, especially for like nap times and that kind of thing. So when you walk in from the front door, they have like a little sitting dining area. Such a cute little table. I absolutely love these chairs. They're like kind of like a woven style of chair. Very cute. They actually come with a bunch of like little books to read. So if you forgot your own reading, they will supply it for you. There's actually a window here in the front. So I believe you could open that if you wanted to, like out into the front, like hallway, foyer kind of corridor, but we've kept it closed because this is actually the room that Sophie is sleeping in this week. And then I love the chandelier. It's like a shell kind of detail and it's like so pretty. Absolutely stunning. By the front door, they also have a big coat rack where you can hang like coats, or in this case, hats, umbrellas, whatever you wanted to kind of keep by the front door. One nice thing is that each room has a thermostat, so we can set it a little bit warmer here in Sophia's room, and then in our room, we can keep it a little bit cooler since we do like to sleep with it a little bit cooler at night. So past the dining room, there's actually this lovely little living room sitting area. Has a nice L-shaped sofa, this really cute, like big oversized chair. I love this. Let me show you guys. So it's like so huge. And I love the style of like the wood and these cool like canvas buckles, everything's just very well put together in terms of the style. So this is a nice little sitting area with a coffee table. This is actually, these doors actually go out onto the balcony. I'll show you guys in a minute. But there's 6 drawers actually here in a dresser, which is perfect because we're keeping all of Sophia's stuff in here. And then we have her crib. So you can request a pack and play. They are on availability. We did request one when we actually booked the room several months ago. So there is a TV in this room. So there's also a kitchenette area. So off of the dining room, we have a number of drawers. There's a sink, which is nice. So we can like wash Sophie's bottles and everything here. And then there is a mini fridge. I really love the style of these cabinets too. So we have to open this really carefully so my wine doesn't fall out. But yeah, so there's like a little mini fridge here if you need to keep beverages or anything. There's like a lot of good storage space, I feel like, in this kitchen for being kind of like a hotel room kitchenette. So, and then there's trash and such under there. They also have a closet here, which I really like. So you can put like shoes in there, or we have our snorkel gear in there. But if you need to kind of put anything away that you don't need in the main bedroom, this would be a good spot for that. And of course, laundry. They have like an ironing board and an iron. So on into the master bedroom. So I love this space. It's so cute. So first of all, the bed, it's a queen size bed, and they do have this cute little oversized pillow on it. Super comfortable. I'm actually surprised because usually it's difficult for me to like sleep comfortably in a hotel bed. So there is another set of 6 drawers in this dresser here in the master bedroom. So that's great because we can keep our stuff in here and then Sophia's stuff in the other room. TV in here as well. And then over on this side, they actually have this huge desk. Like, the great thing about this room is there's a ton of storage space. So these drawers, all 3 of them open up also. So if you need to put anything in there, laptops, etc. I've actually kind of set this up as my little makeup station here. They do have a coffee maker and like coffee in the room. This actually was originally in the other room, like in the little kitchenette area, but because Sophie's sleeping in there, I don't want to wake her up with my morning coffee or anything. So on the side opposite the desk, they have a huge closet, which is perfect. So let me open this up and show you guys just how much space there is here. If you guys are thinking about renting this room. You can definitely not worry about packing light. So yeah, there's a whole closet full of space here. There's actually more drawers in here. They have like a little folding rack for your suitcase if you want. And then there have been extra like pillows and blankets and such up here on the top rack. And there is an in-room safe if you needed that for any reason. So, but overall, I'm like really impressed with how much storage is in this room. It's great for traveling with a toddler because we have just space for everybody's stuff. So let me show you guys the bathroom before we move out into the balcony because that's of course the best space. I'm obsessed with this bathroom. It is so gorgeous. I absolutely love the style of the shower. So I will show you guys in one second. But so first when you walk in, there's actually like a little alcove here. So you could hang like wet bathing suits, towels. We actually just stored our luggages here. I think it's like a great place to put that. And then the vanity is actually a double sink vanity in the suite bathrooms. So I think that's great. Rob has his own space. I have my own space. There's plenty of counter space in here also for toiletry items. So there's 2 huge shelves over here. There are 2 smaller kind of shelves over there. That's his side. And then there's a whole like section down here. So there's ample storage for anything that you need in your bathroom. They did have like a lot of amenities that they came with. So like dental kit, they have like a salt scrub, mouthwash. And then there was also like some bath salts in the bathtub. Actually, Rob used those today, so we'll be getting some more of those hopefully. So the shower is like a huge walk-in shower. This is so gorgeous. So on this side is the shower head. There's like hooks for your towels. And then this gorgeous tub. I cannot wait to soak in here. So it does have its own kind of spout over there. And this tile, like look at this tile, you guys. It's so pretty. I just love it. So this is great for having a nice relaxing bath at the end of the day. And it does come with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash as well. All right, so let's check out the most important part, the balcony. All right, so this room has a gorgeous wraparound balcony, 4 chairs, 2 tables. Actually goes like all the way around. I'll show you guys. So there's not a whole lot of point to that space, but very nice.
Bakers Cay is one of our favorite hotels, and for good reason. It won a gold badge in the U.S. News & World Report Best Hotels rankings for 2022, and just one visit to the hotel will leave no surprises as to why. It has so many fantastic amenities, like
a spa, a bunch of bikes to rent, this huge green lawn space where they do fun activities, lots of games, and movie nights, a pool, 2 pools, lots of bars. They have 2 awesome beach setups. So first is the hammock pad. And the main beach. They have lots of water sport rentals and a big dock. They have computers if you need to work while you're on vacation, and they have a whole library full of books. They have a really nice fitness center. They have 2 restaurants. One is Dry Rocks here, where they have a bar and they serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And their signature restaurant, Calusa, where they serve breakfast and dinner.
From the minute you step into Bakers Cay, the staff is super welcoming, friendly, and happy to help in any way they can. I think one of the best things about this hotel is that it's perfect for any type of getaway. From the many weddings that we've seen here, to the couples retreat vacation, to the full-on family vacay, there are a plethora of amenities, fun activities, and great food and drinks that make this hotel perfect for any occasion.
All right, so that's gonna do it for the room tour. So if you guys are thinking about staying here, I hope this helped. If you have any questions, just send me a message below and I can get back to you guys, or DM me over on Instagram, of course. And happy vacationing. Bye, friends.